In this video, we'll introduce a quick and easy black bean soup recipe that is perfect for anyone looking to whip up a delicious meal in no time. The purpose of this video is to demonstrate how simple it can be to create a flavorful dish that doesn't require hours in the kitchen. This black bean soup is not only quick to prepare but also packed with taste, making it an appealing option for busy individuals or families. Chef John emphasizes that this recipe is designed for those who want to enjoy a hearty meal without the hassle of complicated cooking techniques. By following along, viewers will learn how to combine a few basic ingredients to create a satisfying soup that bursts with flavor. This recipe is a fantastic way to save time while still delivering a dish that everyone will love. So whether you're a seasoned cook or just starting out, this video encourages you to embrace a new cooking technique that prioritizes efficiency without compromising on taste. Join Chef John as he guides you through this delightful culinary experience, ensuring that you can enjoy a comforting bowl of black bean soup in no time. To prepare Chef John's quick black bean soup, you'll need a few key ingredients that come together to create a rich and satisfying flavor. Start with some crispy bacon, which adds a savory depth to the soup. You'll also need a finely chopped onion and minced garlic to enhance the aroma and taste. The star of the dish, of course, is the black beans, which should be drained and rinsed to ensure optimal flavor and texture. Finally, chicken broth serves as the base, providing a hearty foundation for the soup. Begin the cooking process by placing the bacon in a pot over medium heat, allowing it to render its fat and become crispy. Once the bacon is cooked, remove it from the pot, leaving the flavorful drippings behind. Next, add the chopped onion to the pot, cooking it until it becomes translucent and fragrant, which is known as sweating the onions. This step is crucial as it builds the flavor profile of the soup. Afterward, you can incorporate the garlic and the rinsed black beans, followed by the chicken broth, setting the stage for a deliciously comforting soup. Once you have combined the bacon, onions, garlic, black beans, and chicken broth in the pot, it's time to bring the mixture to a simmer. Increase the heat slightly until you see gentle bubbles forming on the surface, which indicates that the soup is cooking properly. This simmering stage is crucial as it allows the flavors to meld beautifully. To elevate the taste, add spices such as oregano and a pinch of cayenne pepper. Oregano brings a warm, earthy flavor while cayenne adds a subtle kick, enhancing the overall profile of the soup. For a heartier texture, consider mashing some of the black beans with a fork or a potato masher. This technique not only thickens the soup but also creates a delightful contrast between creamy and whole beans. As the soup simmers, it's essential to taste and adjust the seasoning according to your preference. Feel free to add more salt, pepper, or spices to achieve the perfect balance for your palate. This interactive approach ensures that the final dish is tailored to your liking, making the black bean soup not just a recipe but a personal culinary experience. To elevate Chef John's black bean soup, preparing a vibrant green onion and red pepper relish for garnishing is a fantastic touch. For this garnish, you'll need fresh green onions, finely chopped, along with some diced red peppers for a pop of color and sweetness. Additionally, a sprinkle of crushed chilies adds a hint of heat, while a squeeze of fresh lime juice brightens the entire dish. This relish not only enhances the flavor of the soup, but also adds a beautiful visual appeal, making the dish more inviting. The freshness of the green onions and the zing from the lime juice contrast wonderfully with the rich, hearty soup, creating a balanced experience for your taste buds. Feel free to get creative with your garnishes. If you prefer a different flavor profile, consider adding diced avocado for creaminess, or a dollop of sour cream for richness. Chopped cilantro, or a sprinkle of cheese can also work beautifully. The key is to personalize the garnish to suit your taste, making each bowl of black bean soup uniquely yours. Enjoy experimenting with different combinations to find your perfect finishing touch. Before serving Chef John's delicious black bean soup, it's essential to take a moment to taste and adjust the seasoning. This final step ensures that the flavors are perfectly balanced, allowing you to add a pinch of salt, pepper, or additional spices as needed. A well-seasoned soup can make all the difference, enhancing the overall experience for everyone enjoying the dish. Once you're satisfied with the flavor, it's time to serve the soup. Ladle generous portions into bowls, and for an extra touch of creaminess, consider adding a dollop of sour cream or Mexican crema on top. This addition not only enriches the flavor but also provides a delightful contrast to the hearty soup. Finally, don't forget to finish with the colorful green onion and red pepper relish you prepared earlier. The vibrant hues of the garnish create an eye-catching presentation, making the soup visually appealing and inviting. The combination of the rich black bean soup, creamy topping, and bright garnish results in a dish that is as pleasing to the eyes as it is to the palate. Enjoy serving this comforting meal to family and friends, and watch them delight in every spoonful. In summary, Chef John's black bean soup recipe showcases the perfect blend of simplicity and deliciousness, making it an ideal choice for anyone looking to prepare a quick yet satisfying meal. With just a handful of ingredients and straightforward steps, this recipe allows you to create a flavorful dish that can easily become a family favorite. The combination of crispy bacon, tender black beans, and vibrant garnishes elevates the soup, ensuring that every bowl is both comforting and visually appealing. We encourage you to try this recipe for yourself and share your experiences in the comments section. We'd love to hear how your version turns out, and any creative twists you might add. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to Chef John's channel and give it a thumbs up. Your support helps us continue to bring you more delicious recipes and cooking tips. Additionally, be sure to explore more content on foodwishes.com, where you'll find a treasure trove of culinary inspiration. Thank you for watching and happy cooking. We can't wait to see you in the kitchen again soon.